If you saw my 100 subscriber achievement video, then you've seen this handmade YouTube button that I try to play off as a real award. Anyway, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. I'm starting this project by printing out a few templates. Since I'm already making one, I thought I might as well try to make a couple and then just choose which one I like. It turns out only one worked out, so I'm glad I attempted more. You'll see each one in this video. After printing these, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the workshop. So now here's the one that ended up not making it, which is unfortunate because I actually love the thickness of this piece. If you have a little more patience and finer skill than me, then you could probably pull this off. And this method probably looks a little bit more official than the method that I went with. The one that worked out for me was made out of 2x4 and actually came out really great. Now I'm going to need to figure out which type of wood I'm going to use. Maybe some pallet wood. It's a little bit thinner than a 2x4. This will work. Man, it's hot out here. So next what I'm going to do is just cut a little bit closer to these lines here with the miter saw. Well, I left my sandbag open here and it just got all over me. guys, so I split my medium-sized one, which sucks because I was really starting to like that. But I do have a really cool idea for filling this in here, so let's check it out. Let's see if that works out. Boom, so there you go. Just add some clear coat on there and you're done. I'm an official wannabe YouTuber with my 100 subscriber plaque. I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe and help me get another official plaque at 1,000 subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.